This is the finished look. How do you guys like it? You guys like it? I feel like that one Powerpuff Girl. Bliss? Is it Bliss? I don't know. That's how I feel. Like, I love the color of the hair now. It was looking real raggedy before. Like, I went through a lot with this wig, but even going through a lot, it's still soft. It's still got, you know, movement, all right? So yeah, I definitely like it. I was a bit worried about dyeing this hair because it's a closure wig, and I'm not really a fan of closure wigs when it comes to like colored hair. But with this one, I feel like I can get away with like leaving some of my actual hair out. Like, I can kind of get away with it. If anything, I could just put a little bit of eyeshadow on my baby hairs just to blend it in even more. But I'm gonna have my hair like this, so you can't really see my baby hairs, and you don't really see it on this side either. Like, you can kind of see it, but not too much. This was Arabella Hair's bob wig, 4x4 closure bob wig that was 14 inches, as you can see. This comes right there, right before cleavage starts happening, you know? So yeah, I really like this length on me. I feel like this is a very edgy length. Like, I like this. I like this a lot. It gives me like, I don't know, like badass vibes. Like, I feel like a badass with this hair color and this hair length. Like, I feel like I should be at concerts. I mean, we all can't go to concerts right now because of everything that's going on. But if the concerts were happening, I'd be wearing this. I type want to get some more closure wigs like this because this wig was $100, $106. It is pretty pricey, but like I said, it's a blonde, an ombre blonde wig. So you kind of pay for what you're getting. And then what I did for the roots, I did bleach the roots. Like, when I first got it, I bleached the roots because I felt like the ombre on this isn't too good. Like, it's kind of janky. Not gonna even lie to you guys, it's pretty janky. So I did go ahead and bleach, got rid of that because I don't need it. I didn't need it because I was gonna color it this way, but I couldn't get rid of it like here. As you can see, now you can see the ombre. Now you see what I'm talking about. It's not even. The ombre was not even at all. So, and that was like on the top of my head, so I had to bleach that and like bring it back to life. And I feel like it bleached really well. I mean, I feel like I messed up on some of the coloring, but overall, I feel like this wig looks really freaking good. If you guys like this hair, definitely check it out. I'll leave a link down below for this unit, and I will leave what dye I used because I don't know if you guys will pick that up in the video, but I will leave that down below as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you liked. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's going to be down in this corner right here. Join my little familia, get a little familiar with me. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye. And I hope you guys are all staying safe during this whole thingamabob. Okay, bye.